Hey guys, so it's been over 6 months since I last shared with you a free trade portfolio update, and I've chosen to share this update now because I shared in I think my investments portfolio and other videos over the last couple of weeks that I have no plans to, one, fund my general investments account, and two, talk about those investment accounts on this channel moving forward. Maybe I'll do one every 6 months, or maybe I'll include it in the overall portfolio updates that I do twice yearly. But my plan is to not even put any money into this portfolio or even look at it. So I figured I'd do one more update before 2022 ends, and then I start focusing on just invest in tax efficient vehicles like my SIP and my ISA. So I have my trusted mobile here. I'm going to do a screen record of my free trade portfolio, and I'll walk you through what my portfolio is doing right now. So like I said, my last update was back in May, and since then I actually just looked at my portfolio before I began filming this video, and my portfolio at the beginning, back in May of this year, was at 657 pounds. Right now, as you can see on my screen, it's at 639. So my portfolio in the last 6 months has gone down by 65 pounds, which is absolutely disheartening if I'm honest. But then again, this is my play money. The investments that I do with free trade are not ones that I'm counting towards my retirement or what have you. At any point in time, as I choose to, I will sell them as I please, and then maybe send that money towards my other financial goals. But it has really tanked over the last 6 months. So since the last update, it has really tanked, and I'm not surprised by it because of what's currently happening in the market, if I am honest. But let's look at the investments that I have. And I must say, there's only one investment that is new since I last gave you an update, and that is National Grid. National Grid is the only investment holding that is new to this portfolio that I did not have the last time I filmed a free trade portfolio update, and I bought one share of National Grid back in October, and that was £8.86, and I paid 4 pence in stamp duty. So I have one share of National Grid. This is, like I said, the only addition to this. I have sold a couple of shares and moved that money towards other investment holdings, but otherwise the rest of the investment holdings here, you've seen them in all of my updates that I've given in the past. So what is very interesting is that I have made sure to prioritize legal and general, my investments here, because I believe in legal and general, and my employer uses legal and general for investing our pension. So I believe in them, and I've been adding some money to this portfolio. So I added some money in September, twice in September, and then actually no, I added once in September. Then I also received dividend of £2.66 in September, and then this month in December I also bought 2 shares of Legal and General. So not too bad. Another one is the real estate one that I also believe in, and this one I did fund it back in, I received some dividend in July. September I bought one more share of real estate, and I received some more dividend in October. So again, great investment in my opinion. Like, the investments that I have, I truly believe in, and I did my own research, which I should actually say, disclaimer, not a financial advisor, so please do not take anything that I say as holy grail. Take it with a pinch of salt and do your own research. So now let us move to activities to see what has been happening since May. I should go back to May. So back in May, I received dividend from UK commercial property, Greencoat, Jupiter, and I bought some more Jupiter in May, bought some more Royal Mail in May, and I bought some more Legal and General back in May. That was all after a top-up of £20 that I'd sent to this portfolio. Then in June, I received some dividend from Legal and General, bought some more Legal and General with the dividends plus the remainder that I had in the portfolio. Topped up the account again and bought some more real estate, Royal Mail, some more Legal and General. Topped up again in June, bought some UK commercial property and received some UK dividend as well. Then July, I received some dividend from real estate and I used that to buy, with whatever was left in the account, to buy Legal and General shares. I bought 1 share. In August, I received some dividend from Greencoat. I received dividend from UK commercial property twice and from Jupiter as well. In September, I bought some Legal and General shares, and this is after all of the dividends that I had received plus the remainder cash I had in the account. I bought some Legal and General shares. I bought 2 shares. I received dividend from Royal Mail. I bought some real estate. I topped up £12 in September, bought some Royal Mail shares, Legal and General, UK commercial property. Then I received some dividend from Legal and General and more dividend from UK dividend holding. Then in October, I topped up £7, bought National Grid, Greencoat, then received some dividend from real estate, did another top up of £4 to buy more UK commercial property. In November, I received dividend from Greencoat and from UK commercial property twice. Then this month of December, I topped up with £12 and I bought commodities. This is another one actually, because I didn't have commodities in the last update. So I bought 1 share of commodities, 2 shares of Legal and General, and 7 shares of UK commercial property. So like I said, my portfolio over the last 6 months has gone down. And as you can see from just as I started filming this video, it said it was £65. Now it's saying it's £41. So anyway, who knows? But it was at £6.57 back in May when I filmed the video, and now in December of 2022 it's at £6.39, and obviously it keeps going up and down. So like I said, with this portfolio, I do not plan on adding any more money moving forward, but what I will do is any dividend that I get from this portfolio will be reinvested back into the portfolio. You won't be seeing me give you any update on what is happening with the free trade, and I'm thinking of how I can restructure my net worth tracker so that all general investments accounts are not split out by each company that I used to invest in, each brokerage that I used to invest in. I just keep one amount. I'm still looking into how that would look like, but yeah, that is all I wanted to share with this portfolio. And moving forward in 2023, I will be focusing more on my ISA, on my SIP, and with respect to one general investment account that I hold with my employer, I'm not going to change the contributions to that one. It will remain. So this is one general investment account that will be actively investing in. I have already paused my Plum investments, although I do plan to actually restart that investment process again in January. So we shall see. With that, I'll share more details on the channel as I make these decisions. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.